Hey, it's Ipsy time. Check it out. Alright, I get so excited about Ipsy. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. I put out videos about hair and makeup and all kinds of things, probably 2 a week. Subscribe to my channel right now and let's check out what's in my Ipsy bag. Alright. Okay, first, I'm feeling it. There's only the bag. Check. Check it out! Ah, super cute. Eyelashes. Alright, that's a fun bag. Oh, hi Cora. My dog came to visit. Okay, let's look in the bag. Alright, first thing is Glow. Let's see. It smells like icing. Ooh, and it feels kind of buttery like icing, but now it's like almost a citrusy smell. Very nice. Alright, I always get a moisturizing cream and that is so cool. Ah, moisturizing cream for the week, month, whatever. That's what I've got. Alright. Oh, I should let you know, I'm trying a new thing. I'm going to call it the Ipsy Challenge now. So, I'm going to get these items and we're going to go through them fast because then at the end, I'm going to like challenge myself. So, check it out in a week. I'll put out the next video of like how they faced it. So I have to use everything for a week. That's like a week. Whoa, that's a lot. Let's see what makes it a week. The next thing is Douce Cheek Blush. Check it out. That's a good color for me. It's like almost my natural red that peeks through, the rosacea red that peeks through. All right, let's swatch it. Because I don't know what I'm, all right, soft. I just put it on top of the moisturizer. That doesn't help you, does it? Over here. Oh, that's pink. I can do that. I think, for a week. I think I can. Let's see what's next. A brush! Okay, oh my god, look at this brush, it's so pretty. Okay, it says, good night. I have no idea what else this is. It's such a pretty brush, it's unique. A unique brush. Oh, I love it. I love getting brushes. It makes it so, it's the best part of Ipsy. That and the moisturizer. Getting to try a new moisturizer every month and getting a brush pretty much every other month or so is my favorite thing. All right, well, 2 things left. Let's grab the littler one. The littler one is Tracique, just like Mystique with Trey, very Mystique. What's this up? Pen, it's not really a lip liner. Is it a lipstick? All right, let's try it up here. That's a nice color, kind of reddish. What do you think? Ooh, I like it. I like it. Okay, this is gonna be a good week because a good week of wearing all this stuff all week. And the last thing in my bag is Smashbox. I saw this on the Cheater. I started to look at the email and I was like, no, a Smashbox primer. Smashbox was like the first primer I ever tried, and it was like a green tint one because, you know, rosacea. Anyway, super excited. I'm not even going to test this out because I'll show you in video of my week of Ipsy. All right, check it out. Enjoy your life, and I'll see you next week when I review all these and tell you about my week of Ipsy. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills.